200-hour yoga teacher training. My general experience for the course was, it was amazing. Had a really great time. Met a lot of really cool and interesting people from all over the world. And I'm a little bit sad that it's over now, to be honest. Physically, I think I gained a lot of flexibility and maybe some strength and definitely some balance. Emotionally, I think I grew a little bit, being more open and just being more in touch with my spiritual side. And mentally, I think I gained some strength as well and learned some new ways to think about life. Right now, I'm feeling a little bit sad that it's over, like I said, but in general, I'm optimistic and looking forward to bringing these practices that I've learned into my daily life and continuing on from here. My favorite part of the course was probably learning about all the philosophy and history of yoga, because before this I was mainly just doing the asana practice like most people do, just doing the poses and not really getting into the spiritual side of things. But really, yoga is much more than that. It's a philosophy and a way of life. So learning about that side of things was the most interesting part for me. The thing that exceeded my expectations on the course was the relationships that we had. It was like one big happy family, and we were all looking after each other. And I think those relationships will continue for years and years. To anyone who's thinking about doing a TTC with Orion, I would just say, just do it. Stop thinking about it. Just go ahead and do it, because it's a great experience.